Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 34 and let's get little kiddish here. So in this particular project I am going to show you how to build a kids mind trainer. How you are going to train small kids to improve their observation skills and observe what's happening around their environment, observe and train their natural neural network on the brain. So guys, so basically the kids mind trainer, it's a simple program. uh, with a few sets of lines of code. As you can see, it can basically improve the IQ level of small kids. This project basically contains only the basic user side, one single user or two user. Maybe one single user is the best bet. The user can start the game by clicking on the OK button as soon as you see the GUI app, and you can also see some images around, any kind of images, whichever input you give while building this code on the screen, and choose the right answer. As soon as you click OK, it's going to show a grid what images you saw. So basically, when a small kid is looking at the images and then you swift the window and ask, okay, what did you see now? The kid should be able to answer, hey, I saw an elephant, I saw a car, I saw a robot, and kind of thing. So that's the way you start building the kids intelligence level and the observation skills. So let's see how basically this code works. So obviously we are using the tickinter app, and the random module and the tickinter module. Those are the libraries which you installed in lesson number 0, which I showed you how to do that. And we are defining the functions and taking the logic one by one. We are creating all these images. You can say, for example, book.png, car.png, chair.png. These are all the images, random images. You can pick it up from Google or anywhere else. You can add those images to the path and start building the logic. So guys, it's pretty simple. I'll be happy to walk you through one by one at a time, line by line. You can reach me anytime on my WhatsApp, on my cell phone. Leave an email. I will schedule a one-on-one with you to walk you through this project. Now, I haven't added the sound module here, but actually I can import play sound and start writing some logic, some basic logic, where the kids, as soon as they see the image, it will also play the sound of, say, for example, dog. It will say dog, spell it out. So that is also possible. So let's run this code pretty quick and let's see how it works. Let me run this program. All right, I can see an image here and this looks pretty beautiful. So the first image is the Google Chrome, of course, and the second is guitar and the laptop and the line. Now if I click OK, it's going to show me this particular option. What did I see? Now I saw a laptop, I saw guitar, I saw a lion, I saw Google. Now I'm pretty old, so I can understand this clearly. For kids, they might be a little confused. Oh, what did I see? Oh my God, I saw something with the keyboard. What is it called? It can be a computer or a laptop. They might get confused, right? Guitar, okay, it's easy. Line, okay, easy. But Google, they may not understand. You will have to explain them what is a Google Chrome. The logo of Google. Let me submit this and you will get the answer here. You have answered 4 correct answers, right? So that's the way. You can go back and it will open up few more images. A bear, a book, set of books, chair, car. Now let's say okay. I can say bear. What did I see? I saw a car, I saw a chair, and book. Yep. Submit. You answered 4 correct answers. Okay, now go back and it's going to show some more image of cell phone, of an aeroplane, and a table and a tree. Let me click OK. I saw a cell phone, a tree, a table, and then a set of books. Submit 3 answers. Okay, what did I miss? Anyways, I missed something. Let me go back. I saw my favorite scientist, Albert Einstein, and a puma, and the globe, and an elephant. I saw Einstein, Earth as a globe. What did I see? I forgot. Tree. Did I see a tree? I saw an elephant. Submit. Three answers correct. All right, so this is how this game works, guys. You can, add more number of images, more number of images in the loop. You can just modify this code here. You can add all multiple lines of images here and repeat this into the loop, and it's going to keep asking you for the definition and the answers. And you can also add voice, you can add multiple other puzzles as well. You can make this program more complex and more interesting as well. You can make it as a puzzle and jumbling game and kind of thing. So guys, that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, if you want to learn this particular program, how to make it from the scratch, how to build it from the scratch, do reach me out. I will be glad to assist you. Zero to Hero series. Bye bye.